Hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're anything like me, you love Chick-fil-A's frosted lemonade. It's literally the perfect summer drink, but sometimes you're either too lazy or simply can't go out to your local Chick-fil-A. So today I'm showing you how to make your own frosted lemonade. Add 1 cup fresh squeezed lemon juice and 1/4 cup sugar in a pitcher and stir until the sugars dissolve. Bottled lemon juice is a bit less concentrated, so if that's what you're using, then increase the amount to 1.5 cups. Add 2 1/4 cups water and stir until well mixed. Chill this in the fridge for at least an hour or two. Blend 1 cup lemonade and 2.5 cups vanilla ice cream. 2.5 cups is equal to about 5 scoops. Now pour into a cup, and if you want, you can garnish with a lemon slice. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching, and if this was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. I have plenty of other simple, yummy recipes up. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!